Hello students, in today's session of quadratic equation, topic different location roots will be cleared using illustrations. In earlier session, we have discussed all these things which you can review on SethiSwiftLearn. Now, I will also request if you have not subscribed my channel SethiSwiftLearn, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, share it and make the comments on this also. Now let's start with the questions. Question is regarding the quadratic expression. Ax square plus bx plus c, where abc belongs to real number and a should not be equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0 means coefficient of x square should not be equal to 0. Otherwise it will not be quadratic equation. What is the nature of curve? Nature of curve. Let y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then एक reckon common, x square plus b by ax equal to y minus c. Right? Then making perfect square. Making perfect square. So to make it perfect square, a x square plus half the coefficient of x, b by 2a, square here, b by ax plus b square by 4a square. कैट के इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो y minus c plus b square by 4a. On simplification, this comes out to be a x plus b by 2a का whole square equal to y plus b square minus 4ac divided by 4. Right? So this on simplification, x minus b upon 2a whole square equal to y minus b upon 4a. This is final equation. Nature of curve. Nature of curve is parabola. Nature of curve is parabola. Parabola in the conic section, this will be studied in the next topics, but for the quadratic purpose, I am discussing here. Nature of curve means like this. If a, this will be 1 by a here. If this is minus b upon 2a minus d upon 4a, this is also minus b upon 2a minus d upon 4a. ठीक है मैंने, this is known as a, this is greater than 0, this is a less than 0. Turning point, or you can say vertex. Nature curve is parabola. If this is the case, that this is the minimum value at minus d by 2a equal to minus d upon 4a. Similarly, this will be, this is a less than 0, this is a greater than 0. This is the maximum value. This is maximum value. This is minimum value. Right? This is all regarding the nature of curve of quadratic equation or quadratic expression. So important point is minus b upon 2a minus d upon 4a. Parabola will be upward, graph will be upward. If coefficient of x square is greater than 0, graph will be downward. If coefficient of x square is less than 0. Right? Now, next question. Question is, find the value of m for which both the roots of the equation x square minus mx plus 1 equal to 0 or less than 1. Here, both the roots less than equation. Conditions applicable. No. As a equal to 1 greater than 0, curve, that is parabola, will be upward. Parabola will be upward, right? K is equal to 1. This is K. Condition is D should be greater than or equal to 0. Reason being, graph of the equation will be like this. Minus B upon 2A minus B upon 4A. This is 1. This is 1, 0. So KF AFK should be greater than 0. ये पॉजिटिव नंबर आ रहा है, पॉजिटिव, राइट. सेकंड, D should be greater than or equal to 0. As greater than or equal to means roots में भी equal over touch कर देगा, otherwise this will be there. And this is x equal to 1. So minus B upon 2 should be less than 1. We have to satisfy these three conditions. Then we will conclude the answer. Put किया हमने ये आपके, तो 1 put किया, substituting x equal to k equal to 1. A1 into 1 minus m plus 1 greater than 0. Simplify करेंगे तो m less than 2. 1 is this answer. Right? D should be greater than or equal to 0. D greater than or equal to 0 means B square minus 4AC should be greater than 0. B square, क्या equation बने? M square minus 4 into 1 into 1 greater than or equal to 0. M square greater than or equal to 4. So this comes out to be minus 2 plus 2. Greater than Gaussian concept, greater of outside, less for inside. So this is the answer. Next is minus b upon 2a. Minus b upon 2a less than 1. Minus b is minus m upon 2 into 1 should be less than 1. Means m should be less than 2. M should be less than 2. Now conclusion. M less than 2. Okay. पहला condition. दूसरे में m should be less than 2 or third is m is less than 2. So answer will be minus infinity to minus 2. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, for what value of m belonging to R, both roots of the equation exceed 3. Exceed 3. No. In this case, a is equal to or greater than 0. Curve, that is parabola, will be upward. And conditions to be satisfied. Conditions to be satisfied. एक बार हुआ लाइक दिस भी हो सकता है और लाइक दिस भी हो सकता है। ये दे रखा 3 k इक्वल टू दिस इज -3/2 है -3/4 राइट। फर्स्ट कंडीशन a f k should be greater than 0 should be greater than 0 and दूसरा d should be greater than equal to 0 third -b/2 है should be less than 3. These three conditions will be satisfied. Finally, we will conclude the answer. A. A is 1. 1 into 3. 9 minus 18m plus 9m square minus 2m plus 2 should be greater than 0. 9m square minus 20m plus 11 greater than 0. 9m square minus 11m minus 9m plus 11 greater than 0. M taken common, 9 minus 11m minus 1, 9m minus 11 greater than 0. 9m. 9m minus 11 m minus 1 greater than 0. It means 1 is 1 and 11 by 9. 11 by 9. This says here, this says yes. According to Pauli concept. Greater of outside, less of inside. Second is d should be greater than equal to 0. D should be greater than equal to 0. B square. B square is 6m. So 36m square, 36m square minus 4 into 1 into C. 9m square minus 2m plus 2. 9m square minus 2m plus 2. 2m plus 2 should be greater than equal to 0. 36m square minus 36m square minus plus 8m minus 8 greater than equal to 0. This goes m minus 1 greater than equal to 0. M should be greater than equal to 1. Means 1 to infinity. This is equal to yes. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Right? And third one is minus b upon 2 should be less than 3. Minus b upon 2 minus b minus 6m minus 6m divided by 2 into 1 less than 3. So this comes out to be, this goes, this is less than 3. So on simplification, m less than 1. Less than 1 means minus infinity to 1. This is the third answer. Conclusion. Conclusion. Conclusion में हम आंसर निकालेंगे this says this side. This said 1 to infinity, greater than infinity. This says m should be minus b upon a. 2a should be greater than 3. Should be greater than 3. Should be greater than 3. This comes out to be greater than 1. This will come out to be 1 to infinity. Right? Now conclusion. 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity, and this is. So conclusion is m should belong to 11 by 9 to infinity. That is the answer. I'm 11 by 9 infinity. Right? Next question. Question is find all the values m so that 6 lies between the roots of the equation. Equation is this. Condition is as a equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore, graph parabola will be upward. Now, right? This is minus b upon 2a minus b upon 4a. K equal to 6. K equal to 6. K may be 6. Suppose k equal to 6 there. So, k equal to 6. 6, 0. This will like this side, this will like 6, 6, 0. A is equal to 1. So, A, F, K should be less than 0. ये negative value आ रहे हैं, ये upper positive है, lower value negative है, right? And D should be greater than 0 as roots are definitely distinct. Therefore, we will find the two conditions now. X square minus x square plus 2m minus 3 plus 2m minus 3 x plus 9. 3, this is 3. AFK should be less than 0. 1 into k equal to 6. So 36 plus 12 m minus 3 plus 9 less than 0. So 36 plus 12m minus 36 plus 9 less than 0. This 36 goes, then m less than 9 by 12. That is m less than minus 3 by 4. According to this, number line पे m minus 3 by 4. This side जाएगा minus infinity. You can say m belongs to minus infinity minus 3 by 4. Right? And d should be greater than 0. B square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. B square 4 m minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3 9 greater than 0. This 4 this 4 goes m square minus 6m plus 9 minus 9 greater than 0. This goes m minus 6 greater than 0. So this m is 0, 6. One is this, one is, so this is open interval. This is 0, 6, 0, 6, according to body concept. Okay. Now conclusion. What is the conclusion now? This says m should be minus 3 by 4 this side, this side. The conclusion will be minus infinity minus 3 by 4. This is the answer. Now I have discussed regarding the location of roots, right? I will also like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SethiSwiftLearn, please like and subscribe to my channel, press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.